started storming. Oh no. Alright, I'm awake now. I'm awake. Oh, check on my baby. I need to check on my baby. Let's shut this window. Baby. Hey, baby. Listen, it's starting to rain, and, well, of course you know, I know you're not really a fan of thunderstorms, and, I just came in here to check in on you and see how you are. Are you alright? No. What's wrong? Oh, okay, I see you're scared. It's alright, sweetie, look at me. Look Daddy in the eyes. It's okay. It's alright, baby. The storm is going to pass. Alright, sweetie? Yes, baby. Yeah. All storms pass eventually. Just takes time. Okay? I know, it's loud. It's very disruptive. But you know what we can do? We can just sit back and relax. And each thunderclap that takes longer to happen, that means the storm is moving away. Yeah, baby. Yeah. The storm was gently moving away and going elsewhere. And then we can be able to relax in peace. Yeah? Look. It's just calm raining now. Come here. Give Daddy a hug, okay? I know you're scared. Shh. No more, okay? Daddy's got you. That mean nasty storm isn't gonna hurt you, baby. No, it won't. Daddy's right here, okay? Daddy's right here. It's just a little rain. You wanna come lie in Daddy's bed? And we can just listen to the rain? The rain isn't bad. It's just the thunder that's bad. Daddy likes the rain. Yeah? Yeah, baby. Yeah. You wanna just listen to the rain with me in my bed? Come here, baby. Come here. Let Daddy pick you up. There's my little munchkin. Aww. You wanna grab a stuffy to take with you? Do you wanna grab a little stuffy to take with you, baby? Yeah. That's my cute little baby. Yeah. You're my cute little baby. And your little stuffy. Alright, let's go in Daddy's room, okay? You got everything? You want a glass of water or anything? Here, let me get you a glass of water, okay? I'll put in a sippy cup for you, actually, okay? I don't think you're big enough to handle a glass. No, baby. No. Oh, look at the little nose. Boop. Boop your nose. Boop your little nose. Aw. Oh, that smile's so cute. Uh-huh. Here we go. Let's go to the kitchen, okay? Alright, baby. Here we go. Can you handle it by yourself? Can you handle this by yourself? There you go. Shh. There you go, baby. Oh, let me just pet you. Shh. So soft. Nice and gently. No, sweetie. It's okay. It's alright, baby. The storm is gonna pass, okay? And it's just with any storm in real life, okay? I know it's cliche, but time heals all wounds. And after that storm, you know what's going to be left? A beautiful rainbow. Yeah, baby. A beautiful rainbow. Here, I'm pretty sure the thunder's going now. Here, let's go lay in my bed and we could just listen to the rain. Okay? Listen to that, baby. I don't hear any bit of thunder. No. That means the storm is already passing. See, Daddy can tolerate the rain. But when it comes to thunder, no, that's scary. Crawl on Daddy's bed. Daddy's got you. That's calming. Baby. Daddy can fall asleep right to that. My little baby. Daddy will protect you from the mean thunder. Daddy will keep you safe and warm. Right here in his arms. Because I love you. Yes, I do, baby. I love you with all my heart. Daddy will always do what he can to be good to you. I love you. Good night, baby.